Andam kanunay, motabang sa katilingban, moserbisyo sa laing tawo ug magpakabana sa pagpanalipod sa kalikupan. Sila ang Boy Scouts nga gibansay o gidisiplina aron sa pag-alagad sa atong nasud. Duha sa mga gipasidunggan isip 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines 2023 gikan sa dakbayan sa Sugbo. Sila si Hannah Arribas ug Johann Sebastian Capanas gikan sa Cebu Council. Karong buntaga, atong ibida ang usa sa mga gipasidunggan nga si Hannah Arribas dinhilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
And we have with us sa studio this morning si Hannah Arribas, usa sa 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines 2023. Maayong buntag, Hannah, and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakigreet ang tanan natong mga kapuso sa Central ug Eastern Visayas.
Hello po, maayong buntag po. To everyone in our Central and our Eastern Visayas region po, I am Scout Hannah Arribas, one of the 2023 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines awardees po.
Okay, first of all, congratulations for being one of the top 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Pero the first question would be Boy Scout and then girl.
Yes.
So, can you explain to that? Giunsa nimo pagkalakip sa 10 Outstanding Boy Scout and then yet you're a girl?
Yes po. Actually, the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, they have been accepting Lady Scouts po, especially in the recent years. And in all honesty po, I'm actually also an active na Girl Scout. However, I really found my passion and the opportunity to serve and reach out to my community through Boy Scouting po, which is also why I decided to run this year, because the title of Outstanding po, it's not just a title, it's also a responsibility. And I believe that I can represent not just the youth, but also the women and the ladies who want to reach out to the community and do more through Boy Scouting po.
Wow, okay. So, unsa man din ang kanang mapilian ka as 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts? Nag-apply ka ani or were there people nga nag-nominate nimo?
Actually po, the process of running for the 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines is I decided to run po, and then one of my seniors, who is a former TOBS awardee, is the one who nominates me to become a representative of our council po, or to run for our candidacy in the council po.
Okay, for the benefit of our viewers, unsa may mga basihan aron mapili ka isip 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines?
Actually po, for the criteria for this year, there are 3 criteria. Number 1 is our papers, which is the compilation of basically everything we've done throughout the years. Number 2 is our skills testing, so tanan nga nakatonan namo throughout our years in scouting. And the third, of course po, is our interview, so the way we present ourselves, which is where our panelists really get to know us as scouts and as people in general.
Okay, daghan pa kay tagpagahisgutan na ana, but finally atong i-wrap up and message nimo ngadto sa ato ang mga viewers.
So the message I would like to leave to our viewers po is that anyone can be outstanding. You don't have to wear a medal, you don't have to hold a trophy to do incredible things. I would encourage everyone, especially my fellow youth, to find their passion and use that passion to create a better nation, because we are the ones who build our future. And as we say in the 10 Outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines po, let us continue to be outstanding always, in all ways, and in our own ways as well.
Alright, very well said, Hannah Arribas. Congratulations once again ug daghang salamat sa imong pagpakig-uban namo dinhi sa GMA Regional TV Live.